My students, welcome. Lesson number 19, past tense. Now, the word past means something that happened long time ago. It is past. So we are going to learn about a past tense. We are going to learn about something that happened a long time ago. Now, in past tense, we also have 4 tenses. Remember, we have 12 tenses in English grammar. I taught you the other 4. Now, let's focus on these 4 under the bracket of past tense. In past tense, we have past simple. That means that they are used to show that an action that happened in the past. Simple as that. The big deal, the action happened in the past. Now, it is past and simple. An example is here. She read a book. Are we together? Hope you're getting the point. She read a book. She ate ugali. She dreamt yesterday. It is past tense. It is something that happened not at the moment. It happened some time earlier. So, in the past tense, it's just simple. Something that happened in the past. Let's move to the past continuous. Now, in past continuous, it is much simpler because it is used to show an action that was going on at a specific time in the past. So, this action was going on at a specific time in the past. It is past, not simple. It is past, but continuous. It is something that is ongoing, but in the past. Okay, an example will tell you more about this. This is the example. I, the subject, was eating rice. I was playing football. I was reading a book. I was praying. I was going to the shower. Now, the big point is that it is past but continuous. I was, we were trying to make it right. I was with him at the bus station. So the big point is that it is past but continuous. I was going to the market. So it is something that is past, but it is ongoing. Now let me move to the third past tense. It is past perfect. Now, this is now the simplest of it all because it is used to show an action that was completed before another action in the past. Now, get it well. It is used to show that an action that was completed before another action in the past. Now, we have a good example here. I had eaten rice. I had forgotten the skill. I had drunk porridge. By the way, do we drink porridge or we eat porridge? I had eaten porridge. We eat porridge. We don't drink porridge. I'll teach you that later when we get much into grammar. Now, the point is that the past perfect shows us that the action was completed before another action in the past. Meaning, these sentences, when you form it, it is that I had been dreaming. You get the point? I had. Now, let's move to the last, which is very important and very nice past tense. It is past, perfect, continuous. So, it has joined everything that we have here. It is past, perfect, and continuous. Get the point? It is past, it is perfect, and it's continuous. It's now a joinery. It has the broader aspect of 2 past tenses. For example, it is now used to show an action that had been continuing for some time before another past action. An example will guide you properly. Come with me. I had been eating eating rice. You know, there is something that is very different here. I had eaten. That is past perfect. And I had been eating rice. I had been washing clothes. So that's different. I had been. You know, let me tell you, if you don't know tenses in grammar, you will not form any good sentence because now you will fumble. You will not know what happened and when did it happen. He went to the market. He dreamed yesterday. Let's say something is ongoing and it has happened in some few minutes ago. They were moving the locust. You will not tell us that they moved the locust and it has happened some few minutes ago. They were moving the locust as the teacher sprang silently. Or we can say, they were stealing the mangles as Mr. Franklin drove in with his car. So get that point. You will know they stole the mangles. Now make sure that when you're forming sentences, use tenses correctly. That is when you'll get the whole gist of grammar. Thank you so much. I really want to hope and wish that you have learned a lot in this session of past tense. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next lesson. Thank you so much.